Hi, I'm Dr. Martyna. I'm the head of the Faculty of Social Sciences and Humanities in Access Courses Online, but I was also tasked with preparing the induction program for all of our Access students. So what is induction and why it is so important? First of all, we know that our students come back to education after some time. They come from different backgrounds, from different circumstances, and with different goals. So at the beginning, we will do a little bit of self-reflection, or we will ask you to do a little bit of self-reflection so that you contemplate your circumstances, your strengths, your weaknesses, academic or otherwise. You will then have a chance to talk with our pastoral care, great people who will be there with you throughout all of your course, and they will create a study plan with you that will work for you. They will take into account all of these things that you think are important for you in completing the course. Academic-wise, we will then look at your learning skills, your writing skills. We will teach you about different approaches to learning. Maybe you are a visual learner. Maybe you are an auditory learner. What can you do to study better? What can you do to write better? The other thing, we will also teach you about different reading strategies, about different note-taking strategies. So you will be able to personalize your study techniques to be more successful in completing the course. We will be there with you throughout your course. What I think is different in our course compared to other online courses out there is that we look at each student individually. There's no one size fits all. It's very personalized, and it starts with the induction process.